बार बार यहाँ पर देख रहा हूँ, यहाँ प्रश्न पूछता हूँ, आदमी एग्रेसिवली रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं. सर प्लीज, आई एम नॉट हेयर टू लिसन नो ओनली. How can you compel me to ask question? If I am of the view that you people are not fit for asking question, then why should I ask question to you?
Sorry.
कौन सा ground नहीं consider?
Ground is that Hon'ble dispose of my petition, my lord. In the ground, they are not the member of the scheme.
कौन सा ground आपका consider नहीं हुआ भाई मेरे?
At the time of hearing, my lord, petition.
आप पहले अपनी पिटीशन से बताइए कि कौन सा ग्राउंड रेस किया था जो कंसीडर नहीं हुआ.
डॉक्यूमेंट ग्राउंड है
डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं भाई साहब, प्लीडिंग्स में से बताइए.
वन थिंग
भाई साहब मेरे प्रश्न मेरा नहीं सुनोगे आप क्या है? अगर आप कहते हैं कि आपको नहीं सुनना है मेरी कोई बात नहीं, मैं चुप रहूंगा. आपको जो बोलना है
डॉक्यूमेंट एनेक्स P3.
फॉरगेट अबाउट द डॉक्यूमेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वेयर इज द प्लीडिंग? है प्लीडिंग तो बता दीजिए, नहीं है तो वैसे बता दीजिए, देन प्रोसीड फर्दर.
जो हम लोगों ने डिस्पोज ऑफ किया है,
whatever it may be, you are saying that certain grounds were not taken note of, right? Difficulty pointed out from the pleadings that this ground was taken. छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ यार, उस पे भी उलझते रहते हो.
6.2 my lord.
Just a minute. WP का नंबर क्या है?
My lord, WP my lord 22410222.
Paragraph
6.2 my lord. That as per the policy dated 25/10/19 issued by the respondent, it mentioned that the employee who retired after 31.
Right.
अब P3 एक बार देख लें, वही पॉलिसी. P3 पॉलिसी को देख लें मैडम. वो पॉलिसी कब की है और ये मेंबर थी कि नहीं थी?
Just a minute. आप P3 देख लेते हैं. जी सर.
P3 मतलब जो पॉलिसी है वो 25/19 की है. और उस पॉलिसी में मतलब लिखा हुआ है साफ कि इन द पैरा कि द रिवाइज्ड मंथली प्रीमियम एज गिवन बिलो इन द टेबल, द नेक्स्ट रिन्यूअल डेट इज 1/12/19. और 25/10 की 19 की पॉलिसी है, जो नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट डेट थी रिन्यूअल की वो दी है 1/12/19 की. दैट इज सेकंड डेट इज 1/12/19. और हमारा जो रिडक्शन हुआ है मतलब सेकंड रिडक्शन ये 1/12/19 का. और अगर हम मेंबर नहीं थे तो हाउ ही कैन डिडक्टेड माय.
दैट्स राइट
मतलब
That's right. आप पहले बताइए, during this service period, your mother had become a member of the scheme.
Member था जब तूने डिडक्ट किया अमाउंट. How can I place कि member थी कि नहीं थे?
No good ground has been made out to review the order. हाँ. आप मेरे से प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं, मैंने ऑर्डर दे दिया.
No मैडम.
हद हो गई यार.
Ask का मतलब. We are not assuming.
जी बताइए.
But there is a one judgment, my lord. Punjab Haryana High Court.
Right, sir.
In this case, my lord, they also not a member of the same scheme, my lord. The court granted the benefit, my lord.
Right, sir. Is it binding on me?
Yes, my lord.
Whether this judgment was cited on that date?
My lord. This is
Sir, please. Whether this judgment was cited on that date?
On that date, my lord, not ask me any question regarding.
Of course, yes.
At the time of hearing, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Counsel. मैं बार बार यहाँ पर देख रहा हूँ, यहाँ प्रश्न पूछता हूँ, आदमी aggressively react कर रहे हैं. Sir, please. I am not here to listen no only. How can you compel me to ask question? If I am of the view that you people are not fit for asking question, then why should I ask question to you?
Sorry, my lord.
Every time I'm for the last 1.5 years, I am constantly watching that whenever any question is put to the lawyer and if it is uncomfortable to him, then he starts reacting in a very violent manner. And this complaint I am making right from day one. And once I realized that the lawyers are not ready to listen question, they are simply happy with arguing and going away, fine. Why should I ask any question? Is it not your duty to put forward your case? मैं आपको बच्चों की तरह बताऊंगा क्या कि साहब ये भी साइड करो, वो भी साइड करो. What type of practice you are Judicial you are expecting from me?
I will elaborate one thing, madam.
Did you cite this judgment on that day? No.
Because
fine.
Because madam.
No problem, sir, no problem.
Only one thing makes.
No problem, sir. Whether a judgment passed by the different high court is binding on me.
No, madam, not binding.
Or it is relevant, or I can take note of. I can take note of, but it is not binding. It was not cited on that day. I am making a complaint right from day one. The lawyers are not coming with preparation.
My lord.
Whenever any question is put to them, they always ask for adjournment. Sir, हमें नहीं मालूम था ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आएगा. Now we want some time to argue. जब हमने ये तय कर लिया कि हम क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछेंगे, now you are again making a question complaint that I did not ask any question. Is it my duty to ask questions to you?
No, my lord.
Or is it your duty to put forward the case of the litigant? What is the duty of a lawyer, sir? Please address on that. Once you raised a question about my conduct, that I did not ask any question to you during the arguments. Now, first of all, explain me what are the duties of the lawyer.
My lord, I have only one.
Whether the judge is required to act as a
But
teacher.
it is my duty to elaborate all this.
Yes.
But my lord,
Then please don't cross that limit. This is my humble request.
I must stop on this day because my lord, the Hon'ble court only say one thing, my lord.
I am not going to put any question, and I had made it very specifically clear that the lawyers are not only reacting in a very violent manner, and the moment any question is put, they just ask for adjournment. They do not come with preparation. They do not know that what questions can be asked and what answers should be there. That is only because you people are not coming with preparations. After 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whenever any question is put, sir, grant me time. Now you have put this question, grant me time. Why should I adjourn the matters unnecessarily? Is it not your duty to put forward the case of the litigant? या मैं बच्चों की तरह आप लोगों को टीचर बन के सिखाऊंगा? What do you expect from a judge? If you want that the judge should become a teacher, then first of all accept that your status is just like a student, not as a lawyer. How can you say that I did not ask any question? Why should I ask any question to you when the lawyers are not ready to listen to the questions? Anyhow, sir. Anyhow. Yes. The difficulty is that if the court puts a question, only then the lawyer is required to answer.
If the Hon'ble says in the only one word, my lord, the petition.
मैं कुछ नहीं पूछूंगा. I had already made it clear. I had already made it clear in the last year that from January onwards you will find a completely new judge. You will not get any question from this side because you people are not rising to the occasion. Whenever any question is put, you people start either asking for adjournments or you start reacting in a violent manner. And I had made it clear in the month of December itself, before withdrawing this my habit of asking questions. I had made it clear in the month of December itself that you will find a completely new judge who will not ask any question. It is up to you to how to put forward your case. And if I have withdrawn my habit, it is only because of you people, not because of me. Right from day one, I was asking that if something is going on in my mind which may go against you, I always think that it should be put forward to the lawyer so that he can meet it out. लेकिन उसके बदले आप लोग violently react करते हैं और फिर adjournment मांगते हैं as a matter of right. सर आपने प्रश्न पूछा है, now you have to give me the adjournment. Is it the way of arguing the matter before High Court?
No.
Then how can you make a complaint that I did not ask any question when I had already made it clear in the month of December that the behavior of the bar is not good?
I'm sorry to say that, but
sorry, sir. Once this judgment was not.
But when the Hon'ble court, my lord, say that the petitioner entitled, that's why I'm not saying anything, my lord. If the Hon'ble court itself says.
I didn't say anything. On one hand, you are saying that I didn't say anything. Now you are again trying to put words in my mouth. Whatever it may be, sir. Whatever it may be, sir. Once your mother was not the member of this scheme, and only the scheme was extended to only those persons who are already a member during their lifetime, during their period in service. How it can be extended to you? That is all.
Policy itself says, my lord.
Anyhow, sir.
19 की policy साफ साफ
बोले. Sir, the makers of the law have provided a provision for appeal where the scope of appeal is much more than the scope of a review.
My lord.
Why you people are not interested in availing the remedy which has a wider scope?
My lord. Because I am.
मुझे आप ये बताइए कि error apparent on record के ऊपर ही तो मैं review में जाऊंगा.
My lord, but I filed a review.
You say that you had taken one ground. I have already seen the entire judgment is on that issue only. It was deducted. I have already directed them to refund the amount with certain interest.
How can he prove that he's a member or not?
But the moment you say, put a question to me, I have already given you the certified copy.
My lord, I
If you are not satisfied with the certified
to
copy,
say-
then please,
consider and accept.
my only request is, once you have a remedy of filing writ appeal, why instead of availing that opportunity where the scope of argument is much more than the scope of review,
my lord,
and then don't say that I didn't ask any question to you. I am not going to ask any question to anybody.
every ground is pretty because the Hon'ble court says they are entitled.
I don't know, sir.
As the order, my lord.
अभी आपने कहा मैंने कुछ नहीं पूछा, फिर आप कहते हो